Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your photo using PicsArt mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on PicsArt. We can click on this plus icon, and then I'm just going to choose photo from my gallery. Wait, for example guys, I'm going to click on see all, and I'm going to choose photo from here. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to enhance this photo using PicsArt. If we want to enhance our photo, we can click on the tools menu, and we're going to select the AI enhance. Okay, and now it's still loading guys. Our AI is enhancing your photo. This won't take long. Okay, you just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the result. The PicsArt will give you the comparison between before and after editing. And you can increase the intensity if you want. And then just click on the check mark. Okay, and now it's done. My photo has been enhanced with the AI. And I'm going to show you guys another trick to enhance our photo on PicsArt. We can go to the retouch menu, and then we're going to activate the HD portrait. Okay, and this trick will also fix your photo. You can use this feature to enhance your photo. Okay, still loading, almost there. Okay, and the PicsArt will give you the before and after as well, before editing and after editing, and it does the intensity. I'm just going to make it 100, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. If you want to download it, you can click on this download icon, and then you're going to save it as JPG, PNG, or PDF. I'm just going to save it as JPG and click on save. Okay, and now the photo has been saved to my gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enhance your photo using PicsArt mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.